Hi and welcome back to Mountain Aromatics. Today I have such a beautiful material. It is Lindenblossom from Giveco. It's all one word. If you're going to type on creatingperfume.com, just write in Lindenblossom as all one word. And it is from Giveco. It's 20 hours on the test strip. It is a middle note. What I wrote for the back for the description, it says it's honeysuckle, it's rich, it's sweet, floral, a little bit of green, fresh lily, and it gives your formulation some body. It is a kind of a yellow green, and it is a watery consistency. I will say it is for sure honeysuckle sweet. With the materials that I've worked with, this is, to me, because I love honeysuckle, this is, and I have limited materials, so I don't have them all and all that kind of stuff, but this is the only one that I know of that smells like honeysuckle with what I have so far. And I love it. So this is sweet, heavy, narcotic, think sweet like flower, honeysuckle. And it is very complex. Oh, yeah, this is a kind that you could get a little nauseous. And in fact, I've never done this before where I kept smelling, and now I'm feeling a little like, whoo, that was a little much. And I love it. Yeah, I love it. But if you've watched some of my videos, you know I love the really heavy, narcotic, sweet stuff. And this is one, I really love it. And here I go smelling another one on the test strip. So, this one's a little bit different on the test strip, just slightly. I think the sweetness comes out a little bit more here. The narcotic-y thing that was kind of making me, a little, I don't know the right word, but just a little, it was getting a little overwhelming, is gone on the test strip. A little bit more floral, white petal comes out here. A little bit less of the honeysuckle, but I can smell the honeysuckle. It's just a little bit less than from the bottle. Excuse me. And you can tell this is very rich. Absolutely beautiful, clean, complex. To me, this is a must-have. Like, whew, I love this one for sure. Woo, I love it. It's really, really good. I love it. So it is obviously one of those where, think of this in the mindset of the white petals, narcotic, and how you would use those. So it's not really light like your yellow petals. It's more of the heavy narcotic stuff. So to me, I would put a little jasmine with this, hedione. I think I would tell you, I'm just going to tell you that, I would tell you to start out a little bit light with this one, and and then smell your formula, and then if it's not enough, to add a little bit more, just because it's pretty heavy and narcotic-like. And that way you won't be using too much, but you'll kind of add just a little bit as you go till you get to where you want it to be. Because this is one that you could possibly put a little bit too much. If you're like, oh, it smells so good, I'm going to add more because more is better. No, not always. And definitely with doing perfumery, more is not always better, for sure. And this is just a great example. So I hope this was helpful, and if you like this, give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I'll see you on the next Mountain Aromatics.